Hi everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. I just finished the live with Ezra and Jonas. That was so fun, huh, Izzy?
Yeah.
But now I'm going to take Ezra somewhere extra special, and I thought we'd take you along. So where we live in Las Vegas, they are always building new houses. And Ezra has been watching these certain houses get built from the ground up. In fact, it's been inspiring to him, right, Ezra?
Yep.
He says he now wants to build houses because they turned out so nice.
Forest.
They're in the forest. Or in the desert. So you guys, we're going to take you along and show you these gorgeous houses, and we're going to walk through them and show you what they look like. It's so fun to do. And if you've never seen a model home inside, you may be able to find one in your area. And it's a lot of fun to go check them out.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, that's a nice living room.
So this one is the bigger one. It's like 3,300 square feet, right? Ooh, I think we need that table.
Yeah. Oh, Mom.
Little bathroom.
Oh, wow, there's this like.
I like it. I like that circle mirror, and then they have the shiplap. Hi guys. Wow. Look at this space. Ah, this is beautiful. The beautiful countertops.
The pantry.
I think I need gray. Paul, look at that gray. That's nice. We're gonna one day paint our cabinets soon, hopefully with white. Ooh. Now this is interior, like it's all fixed up, but it's very pretty. Wow, we saw one of those at Target, huh?
I need that.
You need that? So these houses, listen, they're like half $500,000. That's expensive. Look at this stairs, it's all modern.
I like that cool wall.
Yeah, so you get some really good ideas on how to do some fun decorating.
It's a
Laundry room.
bedroom.
Ooh, this is a nice wallpaper.
Nice.
It's textured. Oh, and more wallpaper. You guys, it's coming back, it looks like. But look at the ceiling.
Wow.
Beams. How cool is
And
that?
look at those pictures.
Yep, gallery walls. We do gallery walls. Remember the print with the butterfly, BFF Print Shop. So another thing that I'm noticing is the squared off baseboard. And you know that is so good to do like a feature wall with board and batten, where you can get the wood planks and go up. So it's kind of like they have it ready for you to do it.
This is a dinosaur bank.
You like that? This one's the beautiful one. It's pretty big. So, oh, we have more rooms over here. So we're gonna go check out the other houses. There's 3 in all, but Ezra is like a kid in a candy store. He is loving it. 2,600.
That's a nice picture. That is the coolest bathroom. See you.
Should we go look in the kitchen?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, wow.
I love how it looks so light. White walls. Look at that. What a beautiful big room. Look at this big countertops, you guys. Oh, it's kind of cut weird too. Like it's not rectangle, it's like has a point. Oh, look at, they got a pool.
Oh, that's cool. That is a cool pool.
It's like an L.
That is a cool pool.
And look at these doors, like they would open up really wide. I think we're heading into the master. Beautiful. Wow, you guys. That is a long area.
A bathroom?
So that would obviously have a door. Oh, wow, that's like so fancy. And it goes right into the closet.
We'll see. This is cool.
Wow. Okay, so this one is like 450,000. I giggle because it's so out of our price ranges. Oh, but I love how you walk right into the courtyard. So for being the smallest, it already has tons of character on the outside. Side grill. Okay, let's go to the door. Wow. Oh, look at this feature wall. I need Paul to make that. Or something like that. Wait, hold on. Let me take a look at the kitchen. Now the colors in here are really light. I wouldn't do that. But the space. Gorgeous. And a white fridge. I was just telling Tina about a white fridge. So here's the master room. All of these rooms will have doors on them, obviously. But wow. Again, with the baseboard set up to do board and batten. Wonder if that's like a standard baseboard now. Wow, that's nice.
Oh, Mom.
Floor to ceiling tile. That's very trendy.
Come to the bathroom.
Is that a bathroom?
Yeah.
And then the closet doesn't look so big.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, just kidding. It's
Mom,
huge.
say that it's that.
Okay, so did you know, Ezra, when you were a baby and when Jonas was a baby, that you just slept in our closet?
I knew that.
You could completely make this a small child room or a baby room if you're expecting.
Look at it.
Wow. That was a lot of fun, don't you think, Ezra?
Yep.
So which one was your favorite?
The third one. Because
I think the third one, I agree with you. It was the smallest
the third one and the second one.
But the way that they use the side yard to make it part of the home, I love that idea. So the thing about model homes is they have such great design ideas. They have to be current and up to date and all of that wonderful stuff. And so it's really, really good ideas for like somebody like me who is just trying to update her 13-year-old home, right, Paul? So I wanted to show you something else. The way that Vegas is, it is huge. So I don't know if you can see back there. That's part of the strip. So all of these model homes building is lots of homes. It's been like that since I came here 20 years ago. And even when Paul is like a native to this area. And so same thing. It's just always rapid growth, lots of growing, lots all the time. And so this is just one of those communities that just popped up. And it was really nice, don't you think?
Yep.
Okay, so now we're going to head home and I'm going to start making a dinner for the boys. Paul and I are going out and I'm going to take you along with us. We're going out with a friend for her birthday and I'll show you the restaurant we're going to. We don't go there very often, so I wanted to definitely take you along. But I wanted to show you a very easy recipe that you could make for your family right now. And it's chicken parmesan bake. So it's time to make the boys some dinner. Like I said, Paul and I are going out and I'm already starting to get hungry. It's not even like 4:30. Okay, so what you're gonna need for this recipe, your favorite marinara sauce or spaghetti sauce, and a bag of your favorite croutons. Yes, I've made this recipe before, but I thought I would quickly show you as well. This one is so good, so easy. Get yourself a 9x13 and start preheating your oven at 350. Okay, this is so easy. So you're just gonna put about a couple of tablespoons of olive oil on the bottom of the pan. You can adjust that, it's up to you. And then a couple of cloves of garlic. I like buying this one from the store already done. We're just going to like kind of mix it in. Yeah, we're just gonna mix it in with that oil, kind of cover the whole bottom. So easy, right, you guys? And then next, it's highly suggested, but you don't have to do this, is add some red pepper flakes. Now, I don't really have red pepper flakes, so I just get these little packets from time to time. And I'm just gonna sprinkle it. Now it's just for the little boys and for us tomorrow, so I'm not going, yeah, I'll use this whole packet. It's not that much. And then I'm just gonna kinda make sure it's in the oil. You'll be able to see it when you're doing it. And then we're just going to fill it in with chicken breast. Now I've thawed out the thin sliced one, so when I put this in the oven, it really won't take too long, about 30 minutes or so. So let me go get the chicken breast. I got all the chicken breast that I'm gonna fit it in. Now remember, this is thin slice, and I'm just gonna use my favorite marinara, and I'm gonna be using about 2/3 of this container, which is 2 cups. So I will also link the video that I got this idea from the chef. He is kind of quirky and funny, but it's literally like the same thing. So that's about right. You get a little bit more. There you go. And then we're just going to make sure all of the chicken is covered. And then the best part, you guys, well, one of the best. I think it's all the best part, really. We're going to get some cheese on this. So this cheese comes as 6 ounces. You'll need 4, but who am I to say just use 4? I'm just going to use the whole thing anyways. So I'm going to use half of the package first. And then I'm also going to top it with about 1/2 cup or so. I giggle because it's a little bit more, I think, with the cheese. Now you can also put some basil. All right, so I'm gonna just sprinkle some basil on here. It probably would be better to sprinkle it on the sauce, but hey, it's all layered and it's gonna be all good. And then we're gonna put the whole bag of croutons. So these ones are actually, I love the flavor of cheese and garlic. And we're just gonna spread that around. I wish I could find the gluten-free versions of these. I used to be able to, but I don't ever see them anymore. And I went to Whole Foods, you guys, and they don't have them at Whole Foods, any gluten-free. So let me know if you see or you come across some gluten-free ones, and let me know what store you got them from. And now we're just going to put the rest of the cheese. And sprinkle that on top. You know what? I might keep a little bit left in the bag because I am going to make some pasta for the boys with the rest of the sauce. Totally easy. And put the last of this cheese, and then we're going to put it in 350 degrees temperature for about 30 minutes, and then I'll just check the internal temperature to make sure it's reached about 165 degrees. But you guys, this is a really, really easy and good recipe. So into the oven it goes. All right, so I have some water right behind me, coming to a boil to put some pasta in to use the rest of that sauce. Plus I have the little bit of Parmesan cheese to sprinkle on the top. Makes a perfect side for this meal. I have to put this away. Wasn't that so fun to go to the model homes? They were just so beautiful, and I hope that you saw that. We just appreciate just going in and looking at the new homes. It's just so fun for us. So now I need to get this ready, and in about 25 minutes, dinner will be done for the boys. I need to get ready. I'm going out. All right, so I just followed the directions, added some sauce. I'll let it cool down a little bit, sprinkle some Parmesan cheese. My house smells all kinds of good right now, so I may have to have a few bites. Make sure it's all good, right, you guys? I need to do that. I'm just glad that tomorrow we'll be able to eat the leftovers. That'll be so good. All right, that buzzer is letting me know that I need to now check the temperature. 35 minutes. I believe it was 35 minutes. So good, you guys. 165 internal temperature in the chicken, and it is ready to go. So I'm just gonna let that cool down a little bit while I'm waiting for some garlic bread. Dishing up right now. Jonas.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. It's hot, be careful. And Ezra too. So good, I had to get just a tiny little couple bites. Oh, so good. So the boys are just finishing up with dinner right now. So make sure when you're cooking it that you go about 35, 40 minutes even, and just make sure it's completely cooked through depending on the thickness of your chicken. Now remember, mine was thin sliced, so we're cooking it for about 35 minutes, and I still am kind of like maybe 35, 40 minutes. So truly up to you. Kind of watch the thickness of your chicken and enjoy the deliciousness. Time to go get ready. Woo, woo. Time to go get ready to go out. Boom. Ready to go out. Paul's finishing up, getting ready, and then we're gonna go pick up the fill-ups. So we're gonna be heading over to a restaurant for our friend's birthday. It's all the fram. So it's a pink night. Even the paper that I got her was pink. So we'll show you where we're going. See, so pretty. It's like Valentine's-y. Not the present, just the wrapping. Okay, it's bumping here.
It is bumping. It always.
We had a fun time with our friends, just celebrating our friend's birthday. The restaurant was good. I think I can find some better Mexican places though. I don't know. But Vegas has so many places to choose from. I definitely wanted to share this one with you. And it was really busy there. So thanks so much for stopping by the channel. Give the video a thumbs up and stick around, rollers. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.